What is Singapore famous for? A small country with about, I think, less than the size of Hyderabad. Half the population of Hyderabad is today almost $1 trillion economy. So what are we talking about here? Singapore can be $1 trillion economy, and a country like India is still dreaming and still talking about $5 trillion. It will happen. 5 trillion will happen. No matter if there is a government in Delhi or Hyderabad, it will happen. Even if there is no government, even if there is no prime minister, even if there is no chief minister, the 5 trillion dream will happen. It doesn't take a government to make that happen. Because it is the industry, it is the private sector, it is the people of this great nation that actually will make it happen. But the question that we need to ask ourselves is, are our leaders, is the leadership of this great nation, in fact giving us a vision, reaching that $25 trillion or $30 trillion or being the highest per capita in the world? If only the rest of India can work like Telangana. If only the rest of India can be led by a leader like KTR, then I think 5 trillion is a joke. We'll actually reach a 15 trillion economy in the soonest possible time.